Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are in the Python Basic series for beginners. Our today's topic of discussion is abstraction as we continue with object-oriented programming concepts. So abstraction is concept of hiding a complex reality while exposing only necessary parts. If you could see the definition as mentioned here. To explain, would again revisit our example of cars. So if we are driving a car, we accelerate, we apply brakes, right? So when we apply a brake, car stops. However, we are not aware what functionality actually takes place behind the scenes. We are just provided with a brake as an interface. We just press that brake and car stops. Similarly, when we press accelerator, the car speed accelerates. However, we don't know in the background what interaction it does with engine or the tires of the car. So that is something that is been hidden from us while we drive the car. So let's see this concept. This concept is called as abstraction. Let's see it with the help of the example. So same example we will consider. We will create a class car, and we will in that class we will create abstract methods as well. All right. So let's start with the coding part. Here you would see from ABC import ABC. This ABC is stands for abstract base class. So from module ABC, it is abstract base class, import ABC, abstract base class will be imported, and abstract method as well will be imported. The abstract method class is required to uh, declare a particular method as an abstract method. So when the class is declared as an abstract class, it will also have abstract method inside it. And to declare a particular method as an abstract method, we use decorator abstract method. All right. So here you would see class car in the bracket or in the parentheses, it's ABC. So ABC is a parent class, abstract base class. So this defines this class that class car is a abstract class. All right. And inside that there is an abstract method as well. So whenever there is an abstract class, abstract method will also be there. Okay. So in that abstract method, we don't have any implementation there. We have just mentioned as pass. Okay. And then we have two other methods: def accelerate, which has message print speed up, message speed up printed, and there is a different method break applied, which has method car stop. So you may imagine in real world or in real time, if you want to write this kind of code, you'll actually write the code of accelerating or actually write the code of applying brake. Here, however, in this example, we are just trying to understand how the code works and this abstract class works, right? So this is the class car is a parent class that we define, but it is a subclass of abstract base class that is there in Python. Okay. And now we will subdivide the car class into hatchback and SUV types. Okay. So you would see car parent class been mentioned here in both SUV and hatchback, and both of them are what they are doing are implementing the print details method. Whatever implementation they want to write, they can write it here. It need not be same implementation. Then at last, car one object is created. That object is of class child class hatchback, and the details are provided like brand, model, and year. Now car one, the object dot print details method is called. So whatever the print details in the hatchback class, whatever is there in the print details method of the hatchback class will be printed. This is one thing. Okay. That whatever compulsion was there, that was made from the parent class, the compulsion was this print detail methods implementation should be there. In the parent class, only parent class car, only print detail method was defined. However, the implementation will be different for different child classes. For hatchback, it will have different. For SUV, it will have different. So there is a provision of different implementation. However, even though they have mentioned same implementation here, there is a provision that you may ignore one of the print statements here. Or suppose SUV do not want to show the model, it will just show brand and year. So likewise, now you would say, hey Vishal, what's the thing that they have hidden? So if you notice in the parent class, they have also written a code for accelerator, that using def accelerate function and brake applied. Def brake applied function, they have written code for stopping the car. I mean, here it's not a big code, it's just a message car stop and speed up for accelerate. Okay, car stop for brake. So when I do carbon dot accelerate, all right, I am carbon dot accelerate. Okay, so I am able to use this method, the accelerate method, which is there in the parent class car. In the sense, I am in the sense hatchback, that is the child class, and the SUV class will be able to use that method accelerate. Here, car one is a object of hatchback class. So car one will be used to will be able to use the method that is there in its parent class, that is accelerate and brake apply. However, that hatchback hatchback class cannot see the functionality, that what is there inside that matter, what code is written in accelerate, what code is written in um, what code is written in break applied method. It can use, it can take advantage, you will get the output as well, but the visibility to the code, so this print car stop or print speed up, this has been hidden from the user who is using this hatchback class. Okay, so this is only with the parent class. The one that is not hidden is been passed to the subclasses for implementation, and that is nothing but this print details method. I hope with this you are able to understand the concept of abstraction. Abstraction refers to providing the users with only high level functionalities without needing to understand what underlying detail workings are there taking place. With this, we have successfully completed the object oriented programming concepts at the four pillars, understanding of four pillars of object oriented programming. Those are encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and abstraction. So see you with yet another topic for Python basics in next video. Thank you.